Hello, my name is Kylie Osborne, and I am originally from Madison, Indiana. I currently reside in Tennessee, near Fort Campbell. My husband's in the military, so that is why we're here. I'm also in the military, but I'm with the Indiana National Guard, and my MOS is military policeman. Um, some things about me: I have two boys. I have a 14-year-old and a 1-year-old. He'll be two in January. I'm also a full time graduate student with my major being organizational leadership and emphasis with adult education. And I also want to get my counseling certificate as well. A couple things I want to take away from this class is I want to learn to be a stronger educator. And I also want to learn different ways of teaching, making it easier for me and making it easier for the other person to learn. A couple fun things about my life is I love to travel. Every other weekend, probably in a different state. I'm either in Kentucky, or I'll be in Louisiana visiting with family, or I'll be in Indiana visiting with family. So I'm always on the go, pretty much. With Christmas coming up, we're getting ready to go right back to Indiana, so that's gonna be fun. I also love to mud ride. I got a Polaris out there side by side that go down to Louisiana a lot. Excuse me, can't talk. Um, and shopping is another big thing I love to do. I love to shop. So, how do you see this course playing a role in your current career? So, like I said, I think it's going to make me a better educator. And like I said, I want to eventually transition to a counselor, and I would like to be a counselor for people coming out of the military into the civilian world. So I think this class and this part of my education is really going to help me on that, and I can teach other students as well